Here are two news items from the world of cryptocurrency. Weekly review: BTC below $50,000, Binance lists ton. SEC postpones decision on Hashdex's cryptocurrency index ETF. First news. SEC postpones decision on Hashdex's cryptocurrency index ETF. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has postponed its decision on Hashdex's application for the registration of a cryptocurrency index ETF based on Bitcoin and Ethereum. According to the published document, the SEC has extended the decision-making period for this product until September 30, 2024. The Commission considers it appropriate to set a longer period for taking action on the proposed rule change to allow sufficient time to consider the application, the regulator stated. On July 24, 2024, Hashdex filed an S-1 application with the SEC for the registration of the first cryptocurrency index ETF in the U.S. The ETF is expected to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and possibly some other assets. According to the document, the Hashdex Nasdaq Crypto Index US ETF will track the price changes of a selected basket of crypto assets based on the Nasdaq Crypto US Settlement Price Index. It is expected that in the initial phase, a significant portion of the fund's portfolio will consist of Bitcoin and Ethereum, with their share depending on market capitalization. Following this principle, Bitcoin's balance may constitute more than 70%. As for other crypto assets, they are also mentioned in the application. However, their inclusion in the index will depend on the regulatory environment, Hashdex noted. If approved by the agency, the Hashdex Nasdaq Crypto Index US ETF will be traded on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange. Second news. Weekly review: BTC below $50,000, Binance lists ton. In this review, you'll hear about the major events in the cryptocurrency industry over the past week. You'll learn about Bitcoin's drop below $50,000, Ethereum's transfer to CX by market maker Jump Trading, Ton's listing on Binance, a fine for FTX and Alameda Research, and much more. Bitcoin news. How did the asset's price change? On the night of August 5, 2024, Bitcoin's price sharply dropped below $50,000. Within 24 hours, the asset's price fell by more than 19%. As a result, the liquidation volume of futures in the cryptocurrency market exceeded $1 billion within 24 hours. Subsequently, analysts at the research company K33 Research stated that August 5 was the most volatile trading day for Bitcoin since the collapse of the FTX cryptocurrency exchange. Well-known crypto skeptic Peter Schiff commented on this drop. He predicted that Bitcoin's price would continue to fall as investors in spot Bitcoin ETFs rushed to withdraw their assets. Representatives from Binance, Bybit, and BitGet also spoke about the situation in the crypto market and the decline in prices for most crypto assets. The most likely reasons include concerns about a possible recession and other macroeconomic factors. By the night of August 9, 2024, Bitcoin's price briefly rose to $62,745. Currently, the asset is trading around $58,600. Robert Kiyosaki prepares to buy Bitcoin. The author of the famous book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, entrepreneur and investor Robert Kiyosaki, announced that he is preparing to buy Bitcoin after the assets drop below $50,000. The entrepreneur explained that a crash is a time when the brave become richer, and the poor become poorer because the latter either do nothing or sell. In his words, the world is full of cowards. Expert predicts Bitcoin will reach $100,000 if Trump wins the election. Michael Turpin, founder of Transform Ventures, believes that Bitcoin will rise to $100,000 if Donald Trump is elected president. He also added that October and November have historically been good months for Bitcoin. Well-known trader and analyst compares the current market phase to 2015 to 2017. Peter Brandt compared the current market phase to the cycle between 2015 and 2017. In his opinion, the dip from August 4 to 5 corresponds to a similar trend before the start of the bullish rally. Semler Scientific adds 101 BTC to its Bitcoin portfolio. Semler Scientific, a firm specializing in the development of marketing technology products for healthcare institutions to combat chronic diseases, announced the acquisition of 101 BTC worth $6 million. Another company, MetaPlanet, approved a loan to buy Bitcoins. MetaPlanet announced that its board of directors approved a loan of 1 billion yen, about $6.8 million. These funds will be fully allocated for Bitcoin purchases. Bitcoin whales accumulated 404,448 BTC in 30 days. Ki-Young Ju, founder and CEO of the analytics platform CryptoQuant, believes that whales are actively preparing for the next crypto market rally. According to him, they have accumulated 404,448 BTC over the past 30 days. On August 7, 2024, an unknown Bitcoin whale, who had been inactive for over 11 years, transferred 250 BTC to an unknown address. Ethereum news. How did the asset's price change? From August 4 to 5, 2024, Ethereum's price fell below $2,200. The asset gradually regained its position and was trading around $2,700 by the end of the week. Currently, Ethereum's price is $2,546. Jump Trading transferred over 100,000 ETH to exchanges in 11 days. Over 11 days, from July 25 to August 4, 2024, wallets presumably linked to Jump Trading transferred more than 100,000 ETH to centralized exchanges. An expert under the pseudonym was criticized the market maker for deliberately transferring funds over the weekend after the worst day on the stock market. On August 7, 2024, analysts from Spot on Chain recorded new movements of funds on crypto wallets associated with Jump Trading. The company withdrew 11,500 ETH worth $29 million from the liquid staking service Lido Finance. The number of new addresses in the Ethereum network dropped to its lowest since December 2023. On August 3, 2024, the 7-day moving average of the number of new addresses in the Ethereum network reached a new low since December 2023 at 81,914. Experts reported movement of $2 billion worth of Ethereum seized by Chinese authorities, which was later denied. On August 7, 2024, analysts from LukinChain noticed that hundreds of wallets, presumably linked to Chinese authorities, had awakened from a 3-year dormancy and began moving assets worth around $2 billion. Subsequently, the platform removed the publication about the movement of Ethereum from these wallets. Later, an analyst under the pseudonym EmberCN refuted this information, noting that most of these crypto assets had been sold earlier. Cryptocurrencies and politics. Donald Trump urged the U.S. government not to sell cryptocurrency. The U.S. presidential candidate stated that the American government should not sell cryptocurrency. The entrepreneur called digital assets modern currency and compared them to AI. U.S. Congress demands CFTC ban election betting. In the U.S. Congress, representatives called on the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC, to ban political betting. Authorities believe that such bets could influence the outcome of the U.S. presidential elections. Trump-related memecoin DJT crashed by 99%. On August 6, 2024, the Trumpcoin memecoin, rumored to be associated with U.S. presidential candidate Donald Trump, dropped by about 95% within 24 hours. The token has fallen more than 99% from its all-time high. Kamala Harris hired a former Binance employee as an advisor. David Plouffe, who previously served on Binance Global Advisory Board, has joined the team of Vice President Kamala Harris. Plouffe has significant experience in running election campaigns, having led former President Barack Obama's team in 2008 and served as a senior aide in 2012, according to his X page. Trump's sons announced a grand crypto project. Donald Trump's children intend to make a major announcement regarding the cryptocurrency industry. They mentioned that it concerns the DeFi segment. The community speculates that the announcement may be related to a project called World Liberty. Also, on August 8, 2024, a token called Restore the Republic was launched. Some of Trump's supporters claimed that this was his official memecoin. However, Trump's sons denied this information. Cryptocurrency ETFs. Hedge fund Capula owns $464 million worth of Bitcoin ETFs. British hedge fund Capula Investment Management, the fourth largest in Europe with assets under management of about $30 billion, reported holding $464 million worth of spot Bitcoin ETFs. The firm holds $211 million worth of shares in the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund and about $253 million in the iShares Bitcoin Trust. BlackRock and Nasdaq applied for options trading on spot Ethereum ETFs. Nasdaq and BlackRock filed an application with the SEC for options trading on spot Ethereum ETFs. According to the issuer, the option offerings will provide investors with an additional tool for trading Ethereum ETFs and hedging risks. Subsequently, the New York Stock Exchange filed an application with the SEC for listing and trading options on spot Ethereum ETFs. NYSE requested the regulator to allow options trading for three products: Grayscale Ethereum Trust, Grayscale Ethereum Mini Trust, and Bitwise Ethereum ETF. Notably, all ETFs are listed on the NYSE. Japanese regulator expressed caution on approving cryptocurrency ETFs ***. Hideki Ito, head of the Financial Services Agency of Japan, stated that the issue of whether to approve cryptocurrency exchange-traded funds, ETFs, should be carefully considered. Hacks. Australian police report phishing attack on crypto wallets. The Australian Federal Police launched an investigation into a cryptocurrency scam that affected at least 2,000 wallets. The victims fell prey to a scheme known as approval phishing. In this type of phishing, the attacker deceives the investor into signing a malicious transaction, transferring tokens to another transaction. Hackers breached Olympic-related entities and demanded ransom in crypto. A group of hackers attacked companies and tourist sites in France linked to the Olympic Games. The cyber criminals gained access to the databases of more than 40 sites and firms. They stole financial data and confidential information and injected ransomware into the computer infrastructure. Consequently, the data was encrypted with ransomware. Analysts report possible hack of Ronin Bridge. The Ronin Bridge suffered a hacker attack, with losses estimated at 4,000 ETH or $9.33 million, according to analysts at Peck Shield. Subsequently, the project team announced that the hacker returned 3,991 ETH. The hacker will receive a $500,000 reward for discovering the exploit. An XRA token dropped 50% after Nexera protocol hack. A hacker attacked the Nexera protocol, seizing $1.5 million worth of cryptocurrencies. The team confirmed the exploit and suspended trading of the NXRA token on decentralized exchanges. The asset's price dropped by more than 50% after the hack. Binance announced TON listing. Cryptocurrency exchange Binance announced the listing of TONcoin. Trading of the asset began on August 8, 2024, at 10 o'clock Universal Time Coordinated. New trading pairs, including TON/BTC, TON/USDT, TON/FDUSD, and TON/TRI, were also added to the platform. Court approved $12.7 billion fine for FTX and Alameda Research. A New York court approved a settlement between FTX, Alameda Research, and the CFTC for a $12.7 billion fine to be paid to FTX creditors. The document states that FTX and Alameda must pay, jointly and severally, $8.7 billion in restitution to those who suffered losses. The settlement also includes a $4 billion penalty for returning illicit profits. Shares of crypto companies dropped an average of 19% amid crypto market crash. On August 4 to 5, 2024, the crypto market faced a significant decline. As a result, shares of major crypto companies fell by an average of 18.8%. Notably, MicroStrategy shares, possibly the largest corporate Bitcoin holder, dropped by 25% in pre-market trading. Also, immediately after the U.S. stock market opened on Monday, August 5, many companies' shares sharply lost value. According to experts, the S&P 500 and Dow Jones indices recorded the largest intraday drop since September 2022. It is worth noting that the prices of memecoins rose sharply after the crypto market crash. Most tokens increased by more than 20% in a day. Fear and Greed Index reached a new low since July 2022. On August 6, the Fear and Greed Index dropped to 17 points, a new low since July 2022, when Bitcoin was trading around the $20,000 mark. Ripple Labs ordered to pay $125 million fine in SEC lawsuit. On August 7, 2024, Judge Annalisa Torres ruled in the SEC's lawsuit against Ripple Labs. The firm was ordered to pay a $125 million fine and was barred from further violations of industry regulations.